Hello, how do you do? My name is Geraint Radford. I live as UK Macro Ambassador, and welcome to my garden in the beautiful South Wales valleys. So today I'm going to show you a couple of basic tips and tricks to maybe help you improve your macro photography. I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to use my EO1 Mark III and my 60mm macro lens. Probably the best combination for macro photography ever. Ding. If you're brand new to macro photography, I would recommend starting out in Aperture priority mode and set your focus to manual. So let's have a quick look on how the changes in Aperture affect how the pictures look. Onward!
So let's have some fun. You see now at f2.8 we've got a really artsy looking picture where just the flower is in focus, but as we go down to f22 you see that everything becomes sharper. So try different settings to see which one you like.
Hello! I've just found this awesome leaf of this beautifully backlit, so we can see all the little intricacies, all the veining, and the edges here look really interesting. Got my camera set up in Aperture priority mode, 400 ISO at f8, so that should give us enough depth of field so that everything we want in focus is actually going to be sharp. Click. Anemone, 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 flower. Purple flower. I've got the rule of thirds grid set up in my viewfinder.
So central composition works just fine on this picture, but you've got to make sure that you're pretty much shooting directly straight down for it to work. See, oh look, see that's quite cool, but even the thirds, you move it over to the right a little. And see, it's just got a little bit more of a balance, looks a little bit more artsy-fartsy.
Ooh, a red kite! A red kite! Look, 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 look. How cool is this? Got a red kite whizzing around. We're going to concentrate now on backgrounds. We need to pay close attention to our backgrounds because they will either make or break our pictures, but I'm specifically looking for some snazzy, sparkly, specular highlights. I'm going to look through my viewfinder like this until I can see some potential. See, that looks quite pretty. That's the stuff. So Aperture priority as usual, but I'm shooting at f2.8 to get a very, very shallow depth of field.
So why not give it a little try, see what you come up with. Remember to use hashtag #HomeWithOlympus if you post any on the social media channels so we can follow along. Stay safe and I hope to see you very soon. Bye. Tra. Hwyl fawr. In a bit. See you in a bit. Tra.